Stainless steel double boiler pot with heat-resistant handle for melting chocolate, candy, and candle making. 18/8 steel, 2-cup capacity, universal insert. Superior material, made of 18/8 stainless steel, rust-resistant, sturdy and proper temperature to melt things, but not to destroy the nutrition and prevent burnt. Suitable size 2-cup CAPACITY, a half quarts, 480 milliliters, designed to perfectly fit saucepans and smaller pots, ideal for steaming small amount of foods. Multiple uses, perfect for melting butter, cheese, candy, chocolate, candle making, etc. Also used a normal container. It is a perfect item for your baking and cooking time. Convenient to use, front boot to prevent sliding away, double pour spouts both sides, flat bottom, and the handle stayed cool while overheat. Kindly remind, any problem with your purchase, just let us know, and we will fix it within 24 hours, 48-day money back or replacement. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.